Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am so excited, but we are going to be unboxing this month's Ipsy X. You guys want to see what I got in here. Was this worth the $50? Well, then definitely keep on watching. This is the test, the emergency broadcast system, to let you guys know that our regularly scheduled declutter series has been interrupted by none other than Ipsy X. Have no fear, the declutter videos return later this week. Stay tuned to details. All right, guys, so we are interrupting our declutter series today to film my Ipsy X. Now, the reason why I am, interrupting this series is because we're about to dive into the lipstick slash eyeshadow palette. Now the lipstick is going to be one whole video, but I want to say I have over 400 plus palettes that I have to go through, so that is going to take me a longer time to do so and to get everything set up for my Mercari account. So we're going to do those videos at the end of the week. So this week you're going to see my Ipsy unboxing. You guys are also going to see my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box unboxing, as well as an anti-haul, because it's been a hot minute since I've done one of those. Then we'll be diving into the lipstick declutter, followed by the most awaited one, the eyeshadow palette declutter. So with that said, guys, we're going to go ahead and dive straight into the Ipsy X box. Now, this is my paid for box. I was not sent this by Ipsy and PR. Ipsy doesn't send me these boxes in PR. They only send me the basic Ipsy Bag Plus. But when it comes to the X, I do pay for this all on my own. So I did pay $50 for this. We're going to see if this is worth it. There should be 8 items in here. I believe that you get to curate like 3 or 4 items yourself, like you get to pick them, and the rest is actually picked out for you by an influencer. Now this month's influencer, I don't remember who it is, but we are going to find out who this month's influencer is. And this month's influencer is curated by Halsey. Okay, awesome. They do like to include a newspaper in here, and I'm not going to lie, I never read this. I just toss it aside because I just am lazy. So let's go ahead and dive on and see what we got. So the first thing that I am seeing is this product from About Face, which is conveniently enough Halsey's item, and this is a highlight fluid. Ooh, a highlight fluid. Let's look at the newspaper and find out what the highlight fluid is. Okay, so this is the light lock highlight fluid in Fight or Flight, Shaken or Stirred or Sunstruck. It retails for $32, and it says, leave it to Halsey to create a highlighter that is versatile as you. The shimmery gold liquid can be used 3 ways. It's an illuminating base, an intense highlighter, or a glow booster for your foundation. Well, you guys already know how I feel about those products, and I actually just recently did a whole declutter of my highlighters, and I told you guys I'm not the biggest fan of liquid highlights to begin with. I think the only liquid highlighter that I have now in my collection is from Jaclyn Hill. But the reason why I was holding on to that is because it is Jaclyn Hill. So, and it's a titty cream, or it's like a titty highlighter. Like you can use that for like the beach and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be using it for, but not like as a illuminating base for your foundation or like a liquid highlighter, because I'm just not about that. So I just want to see what this looks like. So this is how the product right here looks. This is in the shade Fight or Flight. I don't know what color this is. So I'm going to open it, but I'm not going to like swatch. I just want to see. Oh, it's like a really pretty like rose gold color. Okay, that's really cool. I do like the packaging. It has like mirrors everywhere, although I do wish that this was a product that you can actually see and not have to fully open the component to see what the color of the highlighter looks like. But I do think it's really cool that she did put her own highlight in this box. I don't blame her. I probably would have done the same thing. Self-promo. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to a No Waste Wednesday, just because I know I'm never going to get a use out of this. Next, we have something from Herbivore. Herbivore. This is Emerald. This is a hemp seed deep moisture glow oil. Oh no, Halsey, don't tell me you're all about the glow. Okay, so this is so this retails for $48, and it says a few drops are like warm hugs for your skin. It calms, soothes, nourishes, and moisturizes, and even protects from environmental aggressors. You could thank the hemp seed oil. It's rich in fatty acid and vitamin E, Saliquine, turmeric root, and ashwagandha for those benefits. I don't know if I said that right, but I do apologize if I didn't. So this is how the product looks. Like, press gently to your face and neck, avoiding eye area. Do you smell good though? Oh my God. Do you guys know what this oil smells like? This oil legit smells like Michael's craft store along with like a pesto base. Gross. Don't get me wrong. I love the way that Michael's craft store smells. Believe me, I do. But I don't want my face smelling like pasta. And like if Corey comes and gives me kisses, he's going to be like, oh, bitch, I'm suddenly hungry. You know, I don't want him to be like hungry when he kisses me. I want him to be hungry for other things when he kisses me. But that is definitely really, really intriguing. I've never heard of this product before, but apparently she loves it and puts it on before bed, according to what the newspaper article says. So I guess that's cool. Alrighty, next we have this item. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Lip Cheat P-shape reshape lip liner in the shade Pillow Talk 2 medium. Yay! So this is something that I picked out for myself because you were allowed to have your own customization. So I believe I picked this one out for myself, and this is retails for $22, which is really funny because the next video I'm going to film is my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. So could you imagine if I got another one of these? But I don't really own anything from Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh, that is so pretty. I don't really own anything from Charlotte Tilbury. The only thing I have is their foundation. I did a foundation review like 2 years ago on the Flawless Filter foundation. Love that foundation. It's the only thing I own from them. It's expensive. I think it's like what? I think I got it for like $55 at the time. Super expensive. The only thing that I own. So that's probably why I picked it, because I was excited to get like a Charlotte Tilbury item. Okay, so next we have something from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is the mascara. No, this was picked out from Halsey herself. This retails for $24. This is the Fenty Beauty mascara, and I actually have this mascara. I think I actually put that in something I was going to sell. No, I didn't. Oh, yeah, it has that weird shape. It has that really weird shape. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to lie. I've tried this out. I wasn't a fan, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on a No Waste Wednesday as well. So next we have something from, Tarte. This is the Amazonian Clay Waterproof Eyeliner in Clay Pot. This is in the shade Rose Gold. Clay Pot Waterproof Liner. But why is that so pretty, though? That is so pretty. That's really pretty. Kind of light, but this is supposed to be a liner. Unfortunately, I don't use liners like this. I just don't really use liners. It is a really, really pretty color. I'm sure you can use that as an eyeshadow topper. But this is a gel. This is a gel cream. Not only is this gel cream a multitasker, use it as a liner or eyeshadow, but it's also waterproof and it retails for $21. Now this is actually really pretty. Oh, bitch, this is not moving. Oh my God, can I actually use it as an eyeshadow? If I can use an eyeshadow, I might actually keep this one. Okay, I think I'm actually keeping that one if I can use it as an eyeshadow. That's really pretty, although it says it's not, like, it's waterproof. Ooh, that one means it might be a little bit of a pain to take off. Okay, so next we have something from, I love Briogeo. This is the Farewell Frizz. This is a blow dry perfection and heat protectant. So this is something that I believe that we were able to pick out ourselves. And this retails for $24, and it says, no matter your hair type, this blend of oils will soothe, enhance shine, and protect from all heat. I really do love this brand. I think it's a phenomenal brand, and you can find them now inside Sephora, which I think is fantastic. I think they're starting to be sold inside Ulta too, if I'm correct. But I just wanted to smell it because, oh God, this thing smells so good. I love how Briogeo smells. It always smells so freaking good. So that is like something I know that I'd pick for myself. So that's actually really cool. Yay! I'm excited. Oh gosh. Alrighty. So next we have something from Ether Beauty. Ether Beauty. After Beauty. This is the Moonlight Crystal Palette. It retails for $58. And it says, what do you get when you combine vegan ingredients, sustainable packaging, and crystal-infused powders? This epic Halsey exclusive palette. Mix and match the shadows. You can use them wet or dry to create your perfect shimmery eye look. Oh, I've never heard of this brand before. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, well, I definitely have to say that this is super cute. So it says, heed the message of the moon and also harness its power. The moon lives in the darkest of places, yet lights a path to bring clarity of mind, heart, and spirit. Oh, I love that. And the packaging is so pretty. I love this packaging. I love it. It's beautiful. So when you open it up, here is, whoa. Okay, here's what the palette itself looks like. And it says, hello, beautiful. We've removed the mirror and magnets inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make the best sustainable choices of all of our products. And let's be real, you'll probably be using the palette in front of a mirror anyway. Truth. By removing the mirror and the magnets, it becomes fully recyclable, and we are saving this palette from going directly into the landfill. It's a win-win for both you and our Mother Earth. Thanks for your love and understanding. Good vibes, beauty. I think that's so cool. So it says that you can use this like wet and or dry. So I think that's actually really cool. So here's some of the swatches right here. Doesn't swatch the best, but I definitely would like to try out this palette. It is very beautiful. I do like that it's like a colorful palette. You guys know how I feel about that. But I really want to see what it'd be like if I mix water into it to see if I can get the shimmers to really, really pop. So that's actually really cool. Really beautiful. I've never heard of this brand before, so that's exciting. Last but not least, we do have an item from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial. Pore refining and exfoliating. Oh, non-drying clay for all. What? Okay. Well, you guys know that I'm literally all about anything that's going to help these bad boys because I have really large pores. So this retails for $40, and it says when your skin needs a reset, reach for this powerful purifying mask. It's as effective as a pro treatment, but only takes 5 minutes at home. The combo of gentle clay, fruit enzymes, and exfoliating acids get rid of dead skin cells, buildup, and excess oil for clear, glowing skin. I read that in one take. No bloopers on that one. That always makes me so happy when I'm able to do that, because you guys be surprised how often I have to reread shit because I'm just me. Okay, so I just want to smell this. I really do like Glow Recipes, so I just want to see how this smells. I've already tore the box open. The spoon that came with is already on the ground. How do you get this open? Kind of smells like a sweet watermelon throw up. Ugh, doesn't smell the best, but this is how oh my god, oh my god. I have to like really dig my nose in there because I really like to smell the product, and sometimes smelling it from far away I can't, so I have to like really get into it. I never mean to get on my nose, but it doesn't have the best smell to it. Like, I'm not really attracted to the smell, but I've heard good things about this particular product, so I'm actually really excited to give this a go. It did come with like a really like it did come with a plastic spoon. I just don't know where it's at, and it's a nice like heavy component. So that is exciting. That is something I'm definitely looking forward to. I could be missing something, but I don't think I am. So I think my box retailed at $269. Mind you, I only paid $50 for this box, and I have got to say I am not that disappointed. I think there was definitely a healthy mixture of makeup and skincare. So we did get like a highlighter, we got a mascara, we got an eyeshadow palette, we got a lip liner, and then we got like an oil for the face. We got we also got like this I'm blinking, like an eyeliner, and then we got like an oil for the face, we got something for the hair, and then we also got a pore mask right there. And I did drop that spoon on the ground, but I have to say that this was a really, really healthy balance in the box. You got a decent amount of skincare, a decent amount of makeup products. So you guys know that I love that like equal balance. So I definitely think this box was definitely well worth it. I am excited about it. Am I giving away half the stuff? Yes, because some stuff is just not going to work for me. But I'm still excited about the box nonetheless. So yay! And the only thing that sucks is I just did my declutter, so I'm going to have to figure out a way to put some of these items in there. But that is going to be okay. I think the only thing to worry about is like just this. And well, I haven't filmed this one yet, so but yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Our For Life, where you guys get to see my cool sorry, my cool, wonderful adventure with my amazing husband, Corey. A huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye! Hey guys! How should I word this? Hey guys, what's up? Nope. The Declutter series, the Declutter broadcast series has been disrupted today. No. This month's, and the basic and the, they only sent me the basic and the